Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Snipping Tool WASAPI Exclusive Mode audio error in Windows 11. Okay, let's get started guys. First of all, we need to open up the control panel. So I'm going to go to the search menu or search bar, and then I'm going to type in control panel. Okay, open up the control panel. Then after the control panel has been opened, you're going to select hardware and sound. And here you're going to choose sound and select playback, select your speaker and go to the properties. After that, you're going to select the advanced properties. And here you can disable the exclusive mode, which causes error in your snipping tool. And then I'm just going to uncheck it and click on apply and click on OK. Alright, now it's done, and I hope this tutorial will solve your problem with the WASAPI exclusive mode error in your Windows. Okay guys, then that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!